My dad walked the line. Maybe I'll be better off second time. Waiting for you.